गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुत्वं नमामि। अज्ञानतिमिरान्तस्य ज्ञानाचलचलाकया चक्षुरुं मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Yes, thank you so much. Sadhana ma'am, prayer, can you hear the prayer everyone?
मुझे तो सुनाई दिया मैम। यस, मैसेज में आ रहा है वॉइस।
Yeah, thank you so much. So those who has problem with the voice, you just check your network. Thank you so much for the reply. Okay, so let's start the session. Last time we have done complete the revision of the swar and vyanjan. So today we are going to learn something new. Yes, my voice is clear, ma'am. Sadhana ma'am,
थोड़ा सा ब्रेक हो रहा है मैम, स्लाइटली।
1 minute. Now it's clear?
यस मैम, क्लियर है।
Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you so much, dear. So, today we are going to learn something new. That what we already learned, that swar are independent. They are not taking anyone's help to pronounce. Whenever we are pronouncing swar, we are not taking anyone's help. But vyanjans are always dependent on swar. They always want help from swar. So do you know how the swar are helping to the vyanjan? The way the swars are helping to the vyanjan with their secret sign. How we have some secrets and we want to share with our friends, our family. So for swar also some secret signs, and they are sharing that secret signs. They are giving that secret signs as a help to the vyanjan to complete the vyanjan sound. So for that secret sign we say matra chinna. क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको? Matra chinna. So each swar has some matra sign. So they are giving that matra sign to the vyanjan, and vyanjans are taking that matra sign, and then they are a complete vyanjan. The basics, all vyanjans are half vyanjan. They are incomplete. When the swar is mixing to all the vyanjan, then only the vyanjans are complete. व्यंजन्स ये अधूरे रहते हैं जब उनमें स्वर मिलाते हैं, उसके बाद ही वो पूर्ण रूप देता है। सो सारे स्वर जो है उनके मात्रा साइन जब भी हम व्यंजन के साथ मिक्स करेंगे उसको बोलेंगे 12 खड़ी। When all these matra signs mix with the vyanjan, then we call 12 khadi. 12 means 12. 12 means 12. So 12 sounds mixing in one vyanjan, and we are pronouncing that is 12 khadi. But there are total 13 Vyanjans. So how the 12 sounds we are taking? The first swar, there are total 13 swar, but only 12 sounds we are taking. Yes, because there is only first swar, that is a. There is no any matra sign. Only for letter a, there is no any matra sign. So that complete when mixing with any one Vyanjan, that Vyanjan will complete. So always Vyanjans are dependent on स्वर. ये जो सारे व्यंजन है वो क्या करते हैं? स्वर के ऊपर डिपेंड रहते हैं. And swar has very nice secret signs, and they are giving their secret signs as a help to the व्यंजन. वो क्या करते हैं? व्यंजन को अपना सारा सीक्रेट साइंस दे देते हैं. So today we are going to learn about the matras. That matra, that means the secret signs what is swar is having. So today we are going to learn that first. So you can understand how the Vyanjans are taking help from the swar. Let's start with the first letter. This everyone knows the first swar letter. ये क्या है? अ. लेकिन अ की कोई मात्रा नहीं होती. There is no any matra for a. So when Vyanjan is mixing with a, that is after that is a complete Vyanjan. For example, if I am taking an example of letter K, okay, the K is complete K. Why? Because it's adding a. Before adding a, the K is half K. That is like this. The slanting line below I have given, that is halant. उसको हम हलंत बोलते हैं. ये आधा क हो गया. When in half k we are mixing a, then we are getting complete k. K plus a is equal to k. So there is no any matra sign for a, because a is all, when mixed with all the Vyanjans we will get a complete Vyanjan. Okay, there is no any matra sign, no any secret sign. Now the next one is a. The next one is a, and a matra sign is one standing line. Yes, one slipping line and standing line. This slipping line is the slipping line what we are giving on the letters, and one standing line, that is the matra sign. So now how we are going to write this? This is an example. See children, when k is there and if I want to add a matra sign to k, I will add after the letter. So first we have to write Vyanjan, and after the Vyanjan we have to give one single standing line. So when k plus a, it's ka. K plus a, ka. So that time you have to mix a sound into the k. So how you have to write? You have to write k and you have to give one single standing line after the letter. After the letter, right side of the letter, you have to give one standing line for a. Now, we all know there are two E in Hindi. First one is choti E and the second one is badi E. Yes, so for choti E, the matra sign is standing line and one curve. But where you have to give this? For example, if you want to add this sign with k, letter k, so only for choti e ki matra we have to give before the letter. Now I have written k, now I am giving one standing line and one curve. This is ki. K में जब e mix होता है, the sound is की. So छोटी ई की मात्रा कहाँ से आती है? Before the letter. There is no any matra sign. one standing line after the letter. छोटी e, only छोटी e की मात्रा comes before the letter. One standing line and one curve. Yes? Now we are going to see the next letter, that is badi E. See children, just now we have seen the choti E is come before the letter. Now for badi E also the same sign, curve and one standing line, but that comes after the letter. For example, if I'm taking ka example, I'm writing ka first, then I'm giving a matra sign of badi E. You have to stretch that little bit of sound like ski. The first E, that's ki, and the second E, that's ki. So, you have to give the matra sign after the letter. After the letter, one curve with one standing line. Let's go for the next letter. Next one is O. We all know there are two O. But remember, both O matra come from the down. Yes. So, the first O ki matra, this is a slipping line what we are giving on the letters. And first O ki matra down towards left inside. You have to take that circle inside. Down towards left, towards inside. For example, if you want to give O ki matra to ka letter, you have to write ka and down you have to take a curve inside, left side. Ku. This is ku. So, छोटी U की मात्रा नीचे से लेफ्ट में जाती है और जब छोटी U क में मिक्स होता है तब प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसे होता है? ku. Now, after छोटी U, it's badi U. So, badi U, छोटी U के लिए what we have done? We have done give a one small curve inside, yes, down. And for badi U, the curve is going outside, right side, towards right side. So for choti U, when it's mixing, we are mixed with O ki matra down towards left. For badi U, you have to do the O ki matra down outside, right side. So this choti U we have to pronounce with when it mixes with ka, we have to pronounce ku. And here, ku, little bit you have to stretch that sound. So this is the difference between both the U. Let's go for the next letter. The next one is Ri, or you can pronounce Ru. Both the sounds are correct. Ru say Rushi or Rishi. Both we can say same. So, for Ri ki matra, very simple, you have to give one small curve like a small C down. So when you have to mix with letter K, you have to give a small curve down. This is Kri, or you can say Kru. So only choti U, badi U and Ru ki matra come down. Yes. So there is no any matra sound. One standing line after the letter. Choti E before the letter, one curve with one standing line. Badi E after the letter, one curve with one standing line. Choti U down towards left. Badi U down towards right. And Ri ki matra down one curve. Next. Now A. The next letter is A. And next letter A, matra sound is slipping line, and on that slipping line, one balloon up. How many balloon up for A? Only one balloon up. So when you are writing K, and if you want to add A sound, you have to give only one balloon up. This is K. क में ए जब मिक्स होता है तब प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसे होता है? के. When we are writing A, there is no any balloon up. But when we are giving the matra sign, he always gives one balloon up. So this is K. How to pronounce? K. Next, I. After A, we all know the next letter is I. So for I, you have to write A first and you have to give one balloon. Yes? So give one balloon for as a and give one another balloon for I. So the matra sign is 2 balloons up. For I, the matra sign is 2 balloons up. और जब ये क में मिक्स होगा तो क के ऊपर देना है 2 balloons. So the pronunciation is कई. क में I मिक्स होता है तब क्या प्रोनाउंस होता है? कई. So this is about I की मात्रा. A, only 1 balloon up. I की मात्रा 2 balloons up. Now we'll go for the next letter. That letter is O. The letter is O. So for O, I'm giving a matra sign 1 balloon up with 1 single standing line. 1 balloon up with 1 single standing line. So when I'm writing with K, I'm writing K. And after the letter, I'm giving 1 balloon up with 1 single standing line. After the letter, I'm giving 1 balloon up with 1 standing line. That's को. क में O जब mix होता है, so it's pronounced को. Next. Ow. The next one is ow. Here I'm drawing 2 balloons up with 1 single standing line. I'm not drawing 2 standing lines. Only 1 standing line with 2 balloons. So when it is mixing with K, after the letter only I am giving 2 balloons up with 1 standing line. So matra sign where coming? After the letter. You have to write first letter then give the matra sign. So K plus ow, it's cow. K plus ow, it's cow. ऐसे इसका उच्चारण करना है. The next one. You can see they have written A and they gave one this dot up. Yes, for this dot we say बिंदु. हिंदी में उस डॉट को बिंदु कहते हैं. और यू कैन सी अनुस्वार. बिंदु और अनुस्वार. सो इसके लिए हमें एक डॉट ऊपर देना है. जब ये व्यंजन के साथ मिक्स होता है सो क के ऊपर जब एक बिंदु आता है तो कंग. कंग. यू हैव टू प्रेस दैट लेटर एंड टू प्रोनाउंस कंग. यस. Next, the last letter of the swar is ha. So we have to give 2 dots nearby. This letter always used in Sanskrit language like namaha, prataha. These words are common in Sanskrit and Hindi, and normally we are using in shlokas and all. We use these kind of words. So when we are going to give the matra sign of this aha, we say visarga. This 2 dot means visarga. That k में जब aha mix हो जाता है तब वो pronounce होता है कहा. क्या होता है? कहा. So these all are matra sign. The secret signs of swar, what they are sharing with the vyanjan. What they are sharing with the vyanjan. Now let's revise all those things. When, 1 minute. This is K. I'm giving an example. The letter is always half. You can see the slanting line. This is a half letter, half K. But when in half K, A is mixing, then we can get a complete K. Complete K. So ये ऐसा स्वर है जो व्यंजन को पूर्ण रूप देता है. Is making a complete. Yes. So the next. Now I want to add ka में a. So how I can write ka? I will write ka, and I want to give matra sign after the letter. Yes, here. Like one standing line. Ka. The pronunciation is ka. Next, ka plus choti e. Now children, just give me answer in chat box. Choti e की मात्रा from where we have to give? Before the letter or after the letter? Choti e की मात्रा comes before the letter or after the letter? Yeah, I am getting answer. Super. B or A, you can write in short form also. Yes, super. We have to give before the letter. So first we have to write the letter, and then I am writing matra sign. This is key. What is this? Key. क में जब छोटी ई मिक्स होता है तब इसको बोलते हैं की. Now we will go for the next, that is बड़ी ई. क में जब बड़ी ई मिक्स होगा तो उसके बाद उसका साउंड होगा की. थोड़ा सा उसको स्ट्रेच करना है. तो बड़ी ई की मात्रा I have to give after. Very good. After the letter I am giving बड़ी ई की मात्रा. So this is की. Next क ऊ, छोटी ऊ की मात्रा. तो ऊ की मात्रा come where? Up or down? Give me answer in chat box. छोटी ऊ की मात्रा, it's down or up? Yes, you can write the first letter of the answer so I can understand. If the answer is up, you can write U. If the answer is down, you can write T. Where it comes? छोटी ऊ की मात्रा down. Very good dear. So क में छोटी ऊ की मात्रा देना है towards left, inside. You have to take inside. Super. Then क में बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा. So बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा, it's not coming up dear. ऊ की मात्रा always come down. So बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा है outside, towards right side. कू. का की कू. So we'll move to the next one. That's री की मात्रा, or you can say रू की मात्रा. Yes. So let's start writing. half क में जब री मिक्स होता है, or you can say रू, so we can get a रू की मात्रा down one curve, groove, or you can say cree. Very good. I'm getting answers. I'm really happy. Wow, lovely children that you all are so active and you are giving answers. That means you are listening carefully. Superb. Lovely. Next. क में जब A mix होता है, so how many balloons we have to give up? Come on, give me the answer. How many balloons? Wow, superb, superb. I'm getting answers. Lovely, dears. I really like this, your activeness and your energy in the Hindi class. Very much. Superb, lovely. So we have to give one balloon up. Like this. And the pronunciation is K. क में जब A mix होता है तब वो K होता है. Now the next क में हमें क्या mix करना है next? I. So how many balloons we have to give for I? It's two balloons. Lovely dears. It's pronounced kai. क में जब I mix होता है, it's kai. क में I mix होता है तब क्या pronounce होता है? I. Next. After I, what we have to add? Do you remember after I which svar will come? Which svar will come after I? Oh, very good. So I'm adding O. So क में O mix करना है. So I have to give matra sign where? Before or after? After the letter or before the letter? Where should I give matra sign? After the letter. Super. And that is one balloon up with one standing line. This is को. क में जब O mix होता है को. नेक्स्ट क में जब औ मिक्स होता है. क में जब औ मिक्स होता है, so we have to give two balloons up with one single standing line. Two balloons up with one single standing line after the letter. Voice is Sadhana ma'am, my voice is okay ma'am?
Yes मैम, ठीक है मैम, वॉइस ब्रेकिंग तो नहीं है.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So the next one is क में अम की मात्रा. Yes, क में जब अम की मात्रा मिक्स होती है तो कम. क में अम की मात्रा. We have to give one dot. What we say for this dot in Hindi? What we say? Do you remember what we say for the dot in Hindi? Bindu. Wow, lovely. Yes, we say Bindu. Very good children, that you all are so smart, that you are learning so fast. Wow, wonderful. Anuswar, very nice. We say Anuswar also. And the last letter, जब क में आहा मिक्स होता है, तो it's like क, and we have to give two dots nearby. This is कहा. क में आहा मिक्स होता है तब क्या होता है? कहा. For the two dots we say visarga. Okay, so these all are matra signs, and when it is mixing with that vengeance we call barakhadi, like ka, ka, ki, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. This is we call barakhadi, and these all matra same way we are going to join with barakhadi, only there is a change in R letter. That R letter only there is a slight change that I will tell you afterwards. Before that we will see one more time these all matras. I am going to on my video. So no need to write anything. Just see, observe, and you all have that. I will send this PPT after the class, and then you practice in your rough note. Yeah. 1 minute. दिख रहा है क्या साधना मैम?
दिख रहा है मैम.
Okay. So children, I have written here swar. All these swars I have written. So we will read and we will give for the matra sign. Let's start. A की कोई मात्रा नहीं होती. There is no any matra sign for a letter. Now for a letter, what is the matra sign? We have to give one standing line after the letter. For choti e, we have to give standing line with curve before the letter. The next one is badi e. For that we have to give curve with standing line after the letter. The next one is choti u. For that we have to give one curve down towards left inside. For badi u, the same thing we have to do opposite, down towards outside, right side. So choti u and badi u ki matra, it comes down. Then again re ki matra also come down one small curve. So you can see these three matras only come down. Let's move for the next. That is A. A ki matra come up with one balloon up. For A, one balloon up. When we are writing A, there is no any balloon up. But when we are giving a matra sign, there is a one balloon up. For I, when we are writing I, there is a one balloon up. But when we are giving the sign, the matra, we have to give one balloon for the A and one more balloon. That is I. So two balloons up. Next for the O. For O, we have to give one balloon up with one single standing line. And for the OW, two balloons up with one single standing line. There is a one dot, and aha, two dots nearby. We call visarga, and for this dot we say bindu. So this is the way all these words we have learned. Now, we will add, we are taking ka and we are going to add all those things in ka. So when ka में a mix होता है तो ये pronunciation होता है ka. Ka में a mix होता है तो we have to write ka. One standing line I have given. Ka में जब e mix होता है so we have to give before the matra. Before the letter, we have to give matra. That's ki. The next one is after this letter, ki. Next one is down towards left, ku. The next one is ku, down towards right. Ri ki matra, down one curve, kru. A ki matra, one balloon up in ka, that is K. I ki matra, two balloons up, that is Kai. O ki matra, one balloon up with one standing line. Au ki matra, two balloons up with one standing line. Kau. Ang ki matra, one bindu up. Kang. And aha ki matra, two dots nearby. Kaha. So this is called Barakhadi. Ka, ka, ki, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. So this is called Barakhadi. So we are going to continue this Barakhadi for the next session. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Any single doubts if you have, you can ask. Huh?
No, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Clear? So all the matra sign, all the secret signs of swar, you all know how the swar is helping to the Vyanjan, that you all got to understand. Yes? So there is no matra sign, there is a one standing line, choti e before the letter, badi e after the letter, choti u down towards left, badi u down towards right, ri ki matra down one curve, a ki matra one balloon up, I ki matra two balloons up, O ki matra one balloon up with one standing line, Au ki matra two balloons up with one standing line, ki matra one bindu, and aha ki matra two dots nearby we call visarga. So I hope everyone is clear. Now we'll start for the LSR. Yes, ma'am. The first name is from 2D, Vidhat V. From 2D, Vidhat V, are you there? Yes, dear. I'm going to write something on the board, whiteboard, and you have to read that. And next name from 2E, Sharav KS, be ready. Okay, dear. So I'm writing here. One minute. Huh? I'm writing here ka and I'm giving one matra. Read this. Huh? It's ka. So, ko a ki matra. What is this? Ka. Repeat. Very
matra.
A ki matra. So pronunciation is ka. Okay.
Matra.
Very good, dear. But what is the pronunciation of this letter? It's ka. What is? Ka.
Matra.
Yes, this is Aki Matra. Very good. Mute yourself. So the next name, Sharav KS.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Sharav. So I'm writing something. Here, we'll take Ka example only. Ka, and I'm giving one matra. So which matra I have given? One balloon up. Which matra is it? K. Very good. Super. With Eki matra. K. Very nice. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next name. Very good. Next name from 2F. Padmesh S. 2F Padmesh S. Hello? Yeah, Padmesh. Let's read this. So, and I'm giving one matra. Read.
K.
One more time. Balloon up with one standing line.
Ku.
Ko. It's ko.
Ko.
Yes. Oki matra. Yeah. Next name. Yes. Mute yourself, dear. Next name is from 2D. Amrita Parvati.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Here I'm writing and you have to read. Next name from 2E. Shriyash P. Please be ready. Read this, dear. Which matra I have given, Amrita?
Ku.
Ku. Very good. Ko. Choti U ki matra. Ku. Very good. Mute yourself. Next, 2E. Shriyash P.
Very good day, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, dear. So just read this. Which matra I am giving?
Ku.
Ku. Yes. Very good. Ku. Very good. And from next name, 2F. Yes, Namish Raghav, that parent has informed me. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. So this is LSR. Like this, we will give the names of.
Ma'am,
I have given only two names, dear. Next time I will give. I will call you. Okay. Now it's two more.
Ma'am, Brinda also, ma'am.
Yeah. I will give your name to your class teacher. Okay. I will give your names. Attendance wise, we are going right. I will give your name.
I'm
now
only also, ma'am.
Yeah. Sure. So, is there any doubt? We have only 1 minute. They are understood. Everyone clear the concept of matras? Yes, clear all of you?
Real, ma'am.
Very good. So after the class, when I will send the PPT. You have to go through and write in the rough note. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad. Have a nice day.